Step-by-step dental implants. Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Lima Dental Clinic in Istanbul, Turkey. If you're considering dental implants and wondering how the treatment is carefully planned, this video is for you. Today, we'll show you how the modern 3D technology helps dentists plan dental implant treatments step by step to ensure safe, precise, and long-lasting results. What are dental implants? Dental implants are one of the most advanced and reliable solutions for replacing missing teeth. An implant is a small titanium post that is placed into the jawbone and acts as an artificial tooth root. Once healed, a crown is placed on top of the implant, restoring both the appearance and the function of a natural tooth. Planning is important. At Lima Dental Clinic, dental implant treatments are planned using advanced 3D imaging technology. This allows dentists to view the patient's jawbone, nerves, and surrounding structures in great detail. 3D planning helps ensure that implants are placed in the most accurate position, improving stability, safety, and long-term success. It also allows dentists to predict potential challenges and design a treatment plan that fits the patient's specific anatomy. Digital scans and X-rays. The first step of a dental implant planning is taking detailed digital scans and 3D X-rays, often called CBCT scans. These scans provide a complete view of the jawbone structure, bone density, and the exact location of nerves and sinuses. This information is essential for determining whether the patient has enough bone to support the implant or not. Implant position planning. After analyzing the scans, dentists use specialized software to plan the exact placement of the dental implants. The software allows them to simulate the implant position in a 3D model of the patient's jaw. This step ensures that the implant will be placed at the correct angle, depth, and position to support the final dental crown. Surgical guide preparation. Once the implant position is finalized, a custom surgical guide may be created. This guide helps dentists place the implant with extreme accuracy during the procedure. Using this technology reduces the risk of complications and improves the overall success of the treatment. Implant placement and restoration. After the planning stage, the implant procedure is performed. The titanium implant is carefully placed in the jawbone according to the digital plan. After a healing period that allows the implants to integrate with the jawbone, custom-made dental crown is placed on top, completing the restoration and giving the patient a fully functional and natural-looking tooth. Why Lima? Lima Dental Clinic in Istanbul combines experienced implant specialists, advanced technology, and modern facilities to provide high-quality dental implant treatments for both local and international patients. Now, if you're considering dental implants and want to learn more about the treatment process, our team at Lima Dental Clinic is here to guide you at every step of the way. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave your questions in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you restore your smile at Lima Dental Clinic. Bye! See you in the next video.